Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. I am also good. Friends, you know I am MD Aminul Islam from Bangladesh. Friends, today Wednesday, 26 February 2020. Now afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, fresh afternoon. Friends, you can see behind my back this very beautiful our village nature area beside my house. This is a green nature garden, our village green nature garden beside my house. Friends, I see here is some polluted dirt, old cloth. Now I cleaned this dirt, garbage. Friends, I always save the natural beauty of our world. I always save the green nature. Friends, green nature is wealth of our world. Friends, I always save the green nature, so let's we all protect the green nature of our world. Friends, uh, let's go cleaning now. Start. Friends, this very beautiful green place, natural place. Here is a this old cloth. This cigarette packet here, this old cloth here. I collected this dirt. Friends, I collected this dirt. Friends, this is a very beautiful natural place. I walked this place this afternoon and collected this old cloth here unused. This is very beautiful green nature area. I collected this dirt. Another unused cloth. Friends, this natural place, I always clean this place. Friends, 2 days ago I cleaned this place. Today I see here is some polluted dirt. Today now polluted dirt. Friends, this place is very beautiful. I see this some dirt. I collected this some dirt, old cloth. This dirt carry on dustbin. Let's go, friend. Friends, this is our Tangail city's big municipally trash held area. This dirt thrown in trash hole. Thank you so much, friend. Have a good day.